All of the biggest companies are creating their own AI SDRs, and people using them are becoming richer every second. So what is all this craze about? Is it just another AI bubble that's going to burst soon? Well, I'm Sam, and I've spent days learning about various AI agents, and today I'm going to explain exactly how AI SDRs work, what's the difference between outbound and inbound AI SDRs, and at the end I'll share whether or not this is just another gimmick or a real deal that can help you blow up your business. So let's begin. Before we dive deep into AI sales agent and AI SDR world, we first need to know what even is an SDR. SDR stands for Sales Development Representative. Those are guys like Lucas and Sneha on our team. Basically people who put all of their focus on sales, prospecting, sending cold emails, DMs, cold calling, booking and closing sales calls. SDRs are a crucial part of your team. They're responsible for a huge part of your company's growth. SDR finds leads, qualifies them, and turns strangers into loyal customers. But with the rise of AI, this is bound to change. Investors are pouring millions into companies that are building AI sales agents to replace human SDRs. Honestly, I doubt that AI SDRs will ever replace human SDRs, at least not Lucas or Sneha. What I think is more likely to happen is that AI SDRs will become an irreplaceable part of your sales team, working alongside your top performing sales team members. Why? Well, because AI SDRs have some pros and some cons. First, AI SDRs are super efficient. They do almost everything that a real SDR does, but without taking any breaks. It's like having an employee that finds and qualifies leads, chats to them, handles objections, and books sales calls 24/7 without taking any lunch or bathroom breaks. That is every employer's dream. An employee that works at peak efficiency and never complains. But AI SDRs have their flaws. They aren't human. While you can automate lead sourcing and email conversations, AI can't replace you during sales calls or meetings. It can't build strong relationships or joke with your clients. Truthfully, most deals are closed when two beings made of flesh and bones are talking. That's where emotions, empathy, and human are. And that definitely helps to build a long-lasting relationship. I'm not saying that AI will never close deals over a call. What I'm saying is that I'd rather talk to Lucas and Sneha during a meeting than Agent 17BX8A 1KMN that has no soul. Of course, that's just my opinion. So let me compare two AI SDRs so you could decide for yourself. And for that, we'll take a real example, salesmonk.ai. Salesmonk.ai is an AI sales agent company that's perfect for this explanation because it has both outbound and inbound AI SDRs. So let me compare them both. The main difference is that one of these agents focuses on sourcing leads, the outbound agent, while the other one waits for leads to come to it, the inbound agent. Outbound AI SDRs like Katie go out of their way and find leads for you. Based on your information, your targeted audience, and your ideal customer's profile, Katie will go ahead and find leads for you, gathering all necessary information to qualify them and reach out to prospects that have the highest chance of becoming your client. The outbound AI SDR will reach out to those leads on the platform that has the best reply rate. The multi-channel outreach approach lets Katie find the best performing way to contact your leads. And no matter where the AI agent talks to your lead, whether it is LinkedIn, email, or other platform, all of the conversations are recorded, so you'll always stay in the loop with an option to monitor everything in one place. Of course, spamming your prospects on 5 different platforms is not going to yield great results. That's why outbound AI SDRs are trained to create hyper-personalized messages that are relevant to your prospect. The AI will scrape information about your lead and use everything they find to create personal messages, targeting their pain points and desires and mentioning your product as the solution. And all of this, the lead sourcing based on your ICP, crafting personalized messages based on your prospect's information and your product, replying and booking sales calls, all of this is 100% on autopilot. If you want, of course, you can chip in and do something yourself because SalesMonk will generate one-page summaries, but none of your effort is truly needed. That was about the outbound AI SDR Kate. The inbound AI SDR Alex works a little bit different. Now, let me explain. While Kate went out and found leads for you, Alex waits for leads to come. Every inbound lead is analyzed to generate hyper-personalized outreach messages and follow-ups. Every every website visitor is identified and qualified with engineered prompts that gather prospects' information and company details. This helps weigh their buying intent. And again, all of the process of the inbound AI SDR happen 100% on autopilot, managing multi-channel approach, capturing 100% of inbound leads without missing a single one. Not only that, Alex will gather information about your buyers to help you during sales calls, find out their pain points, and help you understand your leads better. Now, if you'd rather learn more about some specific AI SDR, I suggest you take a look at this playlist where I cover more than 20 different AI sales agents, including our AI agent Frank, and you can learn more about him in this video. Subscribe and peace!